Hello, my name is Monica. I'm from the University of Erlangen-Nuremberg, and I'm going to talk to you about the effects of hydropeaking on the groundwater flow and transport at multiple spatial-temporal scales. So as you know, probably know, the groundwater can be affected, or the groundwater flow and the transport of either contaminants or other solutes can be affected not only by the properties of the aquifer, such as the hydraulic conductivity, but also by the boundary conditions of the system, such as a river. Now, coming to the term of hydropeaking, what is hydropeaking? Well, hydropeaking refers to strong and sharp fluctuations in the water level of the river due to the generation of electricity, so due to the operation of a hydropower plant upstream. If you look at these pictures, you can see how the river is changing within a matter of hours due to these operations, and that can have consequences for the groundwater in the hyporheic zone, but also maybe for farther areas. And we wanted to study this. So how did we do it? We had like two approaches. One was by doing laboratory experiments at a relatively small scale and analyze the mixing processes. So we had a flow-through experiment. We injected a solid plume. We simulate hydropeaking patterns changing. We analyzed the dilution of the plume. We analyze the flow field, such as velocity, changes in velocity, topological analysis, and we try to observe how the flow topology was affecting the mixing processes, which was on this part. Then, on the other side, we went to a larger scale. So we are working in an aquifer in the Adige Valley, that is in the north of Italy. And we have installed several piezometers. We have been analyzing changes in the river level and rivers affected by hydropeaking. We saw how the time series of the river was changing and was coherent with the groundwater through wavelet analysis. We also came up with some indicators to study how strong the river was affected by hydropeaking and how strong also the groundwater was affected by hydropeaking. And we came with some indicators. Finally, we also did a model of the aquifer in order to observe how the stronger signals of hydropeaking were impacting the entire valley. With this, thank you for your attention and stay in touch.